And when you are in the game, all you have to do, click the refresh button here, and loads for a little bit, and then you can click this button right here and change the shortcut that is used for opening the hack menu, but I won't change that right now because F8 works pretty fine, so just click inject and just wait a couple of seconds. It might take a little bit longer for you depending on your hardware, but yeah, as you can see, injected successfully, and now the injector window is actually going to close by itself. Now, all you have to do is click F8, and yeah, there are a bunch of options here. They are all explained in the Discord server, so I highly recommend you join. I just bring them up here so you can get a view over them. And if you have seen any of my previous videos, you might realize that this menu looks similar to the other ones. That is just because the developer actually uses the same sort of template when he creates new hacks, because he thinks that the way it looks is not as important as the code behind it. So and yeah, you can also see the skins coming soon. That is just because skins often take a little bit longer time to develop or to spoof than the other stuff. So I always release my videos like right after he has released the injector. So that's why I recommend you subscribing, so you can get instant new videos whenever he creates a new injector. I promise I will actually do it this time instead of working at school. But yeah, there are a lot of different options here, and yeah, you can change the the opacity if you would like it to be a little bit more invisible. You can also move these little windows here over to your second monitor if you have that. And yeah, if I press F8, they disappear. If I press F8 again, they come back. So yeah, you can also minimize them however you like, whatever you want to do. So yeah, that's really about it for this video. But I won't be able to show you any gameplay because Apex Legends is actually going to strike down my video if I do so. And yeah, I don't have many more strikes remaining until my whole channel gets taken down for the second time.